Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, how are you guys doing? Happy New Year! Happy New Year, my beautiful people. It shall be a fruitful year for us. Today, what are we cooking today? Today we are cooking pepper soup. Yes, and in our today's pepper soup we are using assorted meats. Yes, as you can see, I'm washing my assorted meats. I've already parboiled them, so now we're going to give it a quick wash. Yes, I'll show you. Yes, I just want to rinse out the stock. Yes, so that I can start my cooking. Now we are putting it inside the pot that we are using. Yes, before we start seasoning it. Yes, please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. Now we have a bell pepper and onions which are already blended together, and this is Cameroon pepper. Yes, and this is my pepper soup mix. Yeah, the sauce pepper soup seasoning that I've blended together, and I added not chicken cube and salt, and I added a bit of water. Yes, I'm stirring them. Then going to leave it for some minutes to cook. Yes, this pepper soup you can use it to eat rice. Yes, you can use it to eat pap. Yes, anything, and you can use it like that or have it with alcohol drink. If you used to drink alcohol, have it with wine. Yes, it's actually good. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.